What time frame do you recommend using to trade forex? So what I do recommend for every one of you is that you will be watching weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Okay, so there is where you will be analyzing your charts. There is where you will see the direction. So analyzing. Okay, so analyzing and the direction. So weekly, daily, 4 hour is where you are watching for the direction and analyzing the charts, how far, how fast, and so on. And then lower frames like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. Okay, so these are the time frames you have to use to enter the market. Okay, so you will enter the market in the direction of the higher time frame. Okay, so once again to repeat, search your entries on those lower time frames and you will be trading in the direction of the weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Okay, so hope that is everything clear. Then which time frames to use exactly, that depends totally on you, how experienced you are. Okay, so if you are really good experienced and if you know what you're doing, you can use the 1 minute chart. Okay, so 1 minute chart, but there you need a lot of experience. Okay, so there is where you need a lot of experience, as you know that once the market is live, that everything goes so fast, and yeah, you could get some troubles if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so your thinking is getting so short. Okay, so the time for your thinking process is reducing as lower as you go. Okay, so if we go on the 5 minute, you have more time for the thinking, how to enter, where to enter. If you go higher, more time for the thinking, 30 minutes more time for the thinking, and 1 hour more time for the thinking. And what is also not, this is good. Okay, so you are getting more time for thinking. What is not good, that you are reducing your profit. Okay, so 1 hour, if you're watching and searching the entries on 1 hour, there is, I don't know, less profit than 30 minutes. On 30 minutes is less profit than on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes is less profit than on 5 minutes, and on 1 minute is less profit. Okay, so it's really beneficial if you are having the experience, because as lower as you can go, the more profit you will be able to catch or to earn, and the market goes really fast. This is just the not good stuff which could happen. So that's why you need experience. So what I do recommend, if you are quite a new trader, 30 minutes and 1 hour will be enough for you. Okay, so you will be generating some profit, but to going on the lower, I really don't recommend. You will get lost probably. That's gonna be a problem. Yeah. You think too much and you are probably on the lower time frame. That could be a quite big problem. So I came here now. Okay, I see that you switched from the trading view to the YouTube. Okay, so no worries. I can see both chats, so wherever you will type, I can answer. So yeah, I'm learning from a little bit. I mean, I'm learning a lot from you. That's better answer. Okay, I want that you will be learning a lot from me. This is the purpose of these webinars. And if you have time, go watch the previous recordings. I can bet that you will learn a lot over there on those webinars. You will at least understand the basics. Okay, but if you will watch them with much more focus, you can learn something much more important. Keep up the great work. Thank you. I've just joined. So what time chart do you recommend for the beginner? I already answered that question, so hope you are there on time. If not, then watch the recording. Okay, the recording will be live there on the trading view under my profile. Under the stream tab, you'll find the recording. And for those who are watching me on YouTube, just subscribe to my channel, and there you will find a lot of videos that have been the webinar, sorry, that have been uploaded, so you can watch them as many times as you can. Okay, and you can also watch it during the week in case if you don't have time in the morning. 1 hour for analysis and 15 minutes for entries is what I like. Yeah, that depends totally on you, how you are comfortable, how you are experienced.